All right, welcome back everybody. This video is going to be a short video on how to start your saw. If you're experienced with saws, you do not need this video. This is for beginners, people just starting out with saws that want to learn the proper way how you're supposed to start them. Your dealer, whoever you bought your saw from, should have taught you that, but if you didn't or you forgot or whatever the reason is, I'm going to quickly go through the basic master controls. These are the master controls here. Right here I have the Stihl MS261. It's a professional grade saw. Side note, I absolutely love this saw. It's a beast. Woo! Works great. But anyways, so to get started, these selectors here, this one here, full choke. This is what you would put it on if your saw is cold or it's run out of gas. And in order to move it there, you got to hold the handle and then you flip this all the way down. Okay, so that's this position here is for cold, hasn't been run. This is half choke for when it's almost started. You'll be able to hear it when I start it in a minute here. Then you'd go to this position, and then once it starts going, you would pull the trigger and it'll automatically flip up to on. And then this is the off button. So once you pull and you're going to get this started, now safety stuff out of the way first, your brake should be engaged. So you want your brake on, you want the chain brake on before you start it, okay? You want to obviously make sure you have gas, make sure you have bar oil, which I do. This button here, you push in. I know this is new on some saws, or newer, I don't know. I've heard guys don't like these, but you push this in when you first start and it's supposed to help it so it starts a little easier. I just use it because that's what the dealer was saying to do. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate on how to start this from a cold start. First, I'll go over a couple of things. Remember, this video is for beginners, people just starting out, getting in the chainsaws like I was a year ago. So anyways, this is your gas reservoir. You just flip that up, check it out, I'm full, and that's obviously your dealer will tell you it's a gas oil mix. You'll have to go by your manual. Now if yours, what I went over before with these master controls, if your saw looks different, then go by your saw's manual. I don't know what you have, and I'm just going off of how this one is set up. This here is your bar oil. It's the same thing. You flip this up, and you'll see that there's bar oil in there. So this is kind of how I like to do it. I set it down. I usually put a foot in the handle here just so it doesn't get away from me. All right. Some guys like to drop start it. Now, you listen as I pull, and let's see how it goes here. Alright. So, we'll go again. Alright. So we got it going. I put it up to run. You pull the trigger to get it to run. Disengage the chain brake. I'm going to let it idle and warm up a while before we get to using it. I'll probably cut the video, come back once it's all the way warmed up. So now that the saw has been warmed up a little bit, say we're going to start again now, it's been a few minutes, you would squeeze the trigger, move this down to the half choke, right here, and then the same thing, we'd engage the chain brake like that, and then we pull again. And when you're pulling, you want to get it out a little bit where there's tension, and then a quick short pull. We almost had it. we go. As soon as it got going, I hit the trigger and it automatically bumps this switch up to the run position. Now I'll disengage my chain brake, let it warm up. And you want to let it warm up if it's cold like this before you start giving it on the engine. Just let it warm up good, and then you're good to go. Then this is the off button, and that's it. And if you guys want, I can make some more videos on how to, operate this, how I cut trees. Everybody's got their own ways, but thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this video, I'll put a link to, I have another video on proper chain tension. I'll link it up in this side here. Check that one out. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. Try to keep up and make as many videos as I can. So if you could, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.